how to replace a gear case or transmission. This is what the gear case looks like. To identify if your agitated dogs here, there's a for them. If they're good, then your agitator only rotated one direction. If your agitator dog's broken, and it will go both directions, left or right. 1/2 inch extension. See? This section come off. Hold there. Pull up straight. Okay. There's a ring right here. No tool needed. Last thing is to take the gear case out from the bottom. Close the door and push and lean against the wall or lean against the anything in the back. Make sure it's secure. Make sure in the back is secure, doesn't fall down and break this whole thing. Oh, there's some control back in there. I'm inside the bottom of the washer machine. This is the gear case. You see that there's some transmission fluid is dripping. That's what I'm replacing. So it's broken. The gear case seal is broken, and we're not doing it good. So I have to replace this gear case. If you see any transmission fluid like this, that means you had a bad transmission. So need to replace. To replace the gear case, there are 3 bolts. One's right here, second one's right there, and then the third one's up here. But in order to remove the gear case, there's it's called a dry coupler here that you need to remove this motor. This is called the electric motor. First you remove the water pump here. There's 2 clips, one here, and disconnect all the wire from the capacitor, the motor, move to the side. And there's another clip here, loose screw here, and this whole electric motor will drop it down. Then you can start to take all those 3 bolts from the gear case, and the gear case will slide, drop it down to the floor. Disconnect the power first, just for safety. Let's put the capacitor. Okay, there you go. 3 wires, 1, 2, 3. Water pump here. 2. The pumps are out. Here's the water pump. Alright. There's only 2 brackets holding the motor. So loosen the upper bracket. Alright. Up. In the motor. Heavy. Careful guys, it's heavy. Super heavy motor. One hand pushing against it. And this is the last balls. It might drop it down, okay? It's heavy though, so be careful. See, it's dropping down. Dropping down, told you. It's coming down. It's coming down, dude. That's the dry shaft right there. Told you. Careful, it's heavy. You can't pull straight down. There we go. That's the motor. motor right there. Whole transmission. You set this, you set this one, and you set the mounting plate here. Just take the mounting place first. Okay. Go right to there, transfer over there. Good condition, so might want to reuse it. So it doesn't matter what side go first. I'm gonna flip the other side, okay? So let's go right back there, open Spain. So the agitator. This one's out. Here's one. Be sure you put this back, okay? You need to put this back here. Better, yeah? Here we go, hit the clip. It's gonna go back over there. Come from the bottom here. Here first. You see right there. One. This, it's gonna lock in place so it doesn't move. Okay, here we go. It locked in place, so here's the second one to lock the whole piece in place. See, it's not moving up and down. And this gonna go on top of it. Like that. All the old parts transfer from the old gear case to the new gear case. So the last thing before I install, this is very important to you. Before you install, you use some wire like this to poke it through. See, go right through for ventilation. It's supposed to be poke a hole like that before you install, okay? Right in the hole. Push straight up. It's kind of heavy though, guys, so be careful. Get one of the bolts ready for it. Two. Put the bolt in there. Let's start with this one first. Get your impact ready for it. Okay, I want the clip go on top first. Let's go on the put the top bracket first. The top bracket's in. Okay, make sure when you put the clips on the motor, make sure you put the screw back in. Otherwise, the motor has so much vibration, it might fall down. One here too. So two screws, one top, one bottom. Make sure you secure all the two screws, or it might have problems. The motor might fall down. Okay, lock it up and plug into the capacitor. Doesn't matter what which side go which, okay? Okay, both make sure they secure, and make sure you connect this wire harness connection, otherwise there's no power coming to it. You wonder what's going on, it's not working, you know? So this, you line up the harness and just kind of push it in and clip, lock in place. And when you got this water pump connect to the motor shaft, you need to make sure it's freely move by adjusting down here. Not sure you can see down here, and it's freely moved, then you're good to go. So then you can secure the top bracket first, and then you clip it like that. And last thing you do the bottom, there's a slot that it's a T-leg, and then top one just like that, and go into the slot here on the motor and turn around and push down the water pump and secure. Okay, let's put it everything back again. That's the new shaft of the gear case right here, brand new, shiny. Okay, this pin going back, and this coupler going back. Right there, it's good. Okay, back. And this guy is back. Okay, plug it in. The bolts back in. Alright, here we go. Good. Okay, second piece going back. Alright. Take it down. Okay, here we go. Okay, the third piece, which is the seal, so the water is not going inside of the agitator dog. The last piece, the fourth piece, the salt dispenser. Okay, push down and lock. All done.